Again, once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. Many of my friends asking me, please making video Sushi Empire 3D games about you will be making videos. So today like me, I'm making video Sushi Empire 3D games. So this is the everything so much easily now. Just only I request you be end of watching this video, and I will be helping to you how to make to be Sushi Empire 3D games like we collect to be 10 million screens. They all of everything so much easily now, because sometimes many people not to be understand how to complete to be this game screen. So I will be completely helping to you, and please request to you not to be skip this video, and I will be helping to you all about, and I will be teach you how to collect these coins, because I give you best advice, because some of people not to be telling to you truthfully how to collect no like with 10 million coins. So let's start this video, and I hope you will be completely watching my video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be more helping to you. So let's start this video. So guys, Sushi Empire 3D game available now, and we completely I will be guide to you. So guys, they all of everything so much easily now, because first of all, like this is the strategy. How to complete to be these games, because many of people asking me like me teach me about, because first of all you will be this all of this upgrading now, because many of people sometimes not to be telling to you truthfully, because this is the everything you will be first of all upgrade now, and you will be go here also. And buy something foods for burger and something. Okay, so coming here also, if you want you will be more earns coins. So then you will, first of all you will be like be updating this all of this uh, and this is the also to be you will be purchasing, and that now because everything so much easily now. And before, if you have more coins, so you will be go here also and ask for help. They give you more of the more peoples, okay, and you will be also to be purchasing these products. And coming here, sorry, and before you go here be also be second restaurants, because you will be also this purchasing now. Many people waiting to you also. Oh my god, air so much disturbed to me. And coming here and be stand up on these options, because if you upgrade this all of this everything, and this is the also to be Nest Cafe. If you want more coins, so you will be make new and new and new cafe. Okay, so this is the my earnings. I will show you, because this is the everything easily, not just of you will be purchasing your, and before you will be never to be skipping these ads, and then you will be more earned coins. And just only watching ad and you will be earned more coin. You're checking my balance. Okay, I will be go move back here also. This time to be near more something. I go to be here also. Next cafe. I receiving my coins. I checking now. So guys, this is the everything so much easily now, only to be helping now big post make for your foods. Just do this and easily to be completed to be your rewards and earn coins. Okay, and before to upgradation now. Okay, so new restaurant, if you open now because needed to be coins. They asking me please making. Yes, I understand now. Open new restaurants and get your coins. And everything to be opens and you will be get more coins. So guys, this type this game and everything so much like be making new restaurants and complete to be tasking everything because needed to more foods and just to be try to be sure Kino. This time more money I have. So guys, this game, and always to be supporting me and like my videos, because I give you strategy advice how to complete to be this game. Okay, thank you so much for you watching my video.